Alright, theory is great, but how do we actually do this in Canvas? Let's walk through it step by step. First, align materials with objectives. Align materials with objectives. When you're picking out textbooks, readings, videos, or any other resource, constantly ask yourself, does this directly help my students achieve the learning objectives for this course or this specific module? You'll want to clearly show students which materials are for which module, topic, or activity. In Canvas, you'll lean heavily on modules, pages, files, external URLs, and the rich content editor to embed or link these goodies. Next up, organize and present materials clearly. Nobody likes a messy room, and nobody likes a messy course. Within each module, use pages or link to files for your materials. Try grouping them logically, maybe by readings, videos, or lecture notes. And remember that why we talked about? Explain the purpose of each material and how it connects to the objectives, maybe on a module introduction page, or right where you list the material. Your best friends here are modules, pages, and files in Canvas. Super important. Cite materials properly. Cite materials properly. Provide full citations using a consistent style like APA or MLA. For websites, don't forget the URL and the date you accessed it. If you're using copyrighted stuff, make sure you're following fair use guidelines or get permissions. Better yet, explore open educational resources. OER, they're often free and openly licensed. You can do this directly on pages using the rich content editor or include citations within your uploaded files. Let's ensure currency and accessibility. Ensure currency and accessibility. Nobody wants to hit a dead end. Use the Canvas link validator. It's in your course settings to check that all your external links are working and that materials are up to date. Make sure students can actually get their hands on the materials. Are they available through the library? Are they affordable? Are they OER? And, very importantly, are they accessible? We'll talk more about that in Standard 8. You'll be managing external URLs, files, and using the rich content editor, plus that handy link validator. Be explicit. Distinguish required versus optional. Distinguish required versus optional. Don't make students guess. Clearly label everything as required, optional, or supplemental. And if it's optional, give them a little nudge by explaining the benefit or purpose. What extra goodness will they get from it? Use text headers in modules or clear titles on pages for this. Embrace diversity. Promote diverse perspectives. Promote diverse perspectives. This is more of a content selection strategy than a specific Canvas tool. Whenever you can, include materials that showcase diverse voices, cultures, and viewpoints relevant to your subject. Take a moment to review materials for potential bias too. A collage of book covers / article snippets from diverse authors or about diverse cultures. This isn't tied to a specific Canvas tool, but it's a crucial part of your material selection process. Finally, explain material usage. Explain material usage. Don't just throw a PDF at them. Briefly explain what students should focus on in that reading. What questions should they ponder while watching that video? How will this particular resource help them with an upcoming assignment? Give them context and directions. Use pages, either module overviews or specific material pages, and even your assignment descriptions to provide this guidance.